So my name is Brian Pollock. My firm is a fair law firm, and today I want to talk about some things that have been keeping me really busy lately, and those are severance agreements that clients of mine have been receiving, and they're asking me to take a look at and review to help them out with. And I've seen severance agreements across all kinds of businesses and with all kinds of numbers, ranging from not that much money to a lot of money that people would be super thrilled with getting, not just for severance, but probably for several years of salary. And a lot of times when we look at these, or I look at these severance agreements, I'm looking for a bunch of different things, not only about the money, but other intangibles, which could be protecting an employee or my client from being sued after they separate from their employer. So making what normally is a one-way release of claims, where my client's releasing their former employer, to a release that goes both ways, or a mutual release, so that my client doesn't have to worry about getting sued by the company in the future. We look at other things as well because we like to identify issues to prevent things from happening in the future. Because when a severance agreement is signed, the idea is it's a clean break. And yeah, you may have to cooperate or help the company with a transition or some information later, but you don't want them coming after you. They don't want you coming after them. So it's really about a clean break and getting the best out of a situation. When I say we review these all the time, we do. We don't do it for free. I'm going to tell you that right now. We charge for it. But the idea is that you get value for the advice and the revisions and the suggestions that we make to you. So that way, either we can negotiate with your employer or former employer, or you can make those negotiations on your own, and we can help you in the background.